Okay, so what I've got here is I'm starting to get the front end on this 68 Shelby cut off of here. I made some real rudimentary brackets right here to hold the front end in line. Bolted on the top, welded it on the bottom, in a couple spots across the bottom there and up on the other side here. So what I've done here is I've drilled out the spot welds coming up through here, crossed a couple on the top here, diagonal from each other. Now I need to go back through here, cut these welds. There's a couple more on the bottom side as well. This side I've begun drilling out the spot welds. And when you drill out these spot welds, you want to be real careful not to go too far. Like you can see this hole here, focus. If you look right there in the middle, you can see the rust and whatnot. So it's just barely touched the other surface. It's begun to scrape the rust off, but it hasn't started to drill it and penetrate it. And you don't want to drill into those very much, if at all, because you're making that metal thinner. And when I go back to spot weld this, you take the chance of blowing a hole out somewhere. Yeah, and just having a weak spot in the metal. Granted, when this gets re-spot welded, these will all be offset just a hair of where they were before. If I was going to plug weld it, I'd go ahead and just put them right on top of where they used to be, but as far as the aesthetics of this, it all needs to be factory looking. There can't be any plug welds or any nonsense like that. So, and then I'll go through down here. There's some big spot welds on the top here, some more on the face here going down, and some more on the outside here. So we'll go ahead and cut all those out of there as well. And then remeasure everything, make sure it's all square, and go ahead and weld the new one in. Once I get this all cut off and everything, I'll make another video of the other one being fit in here and show you guys how it all lines up, and yeah, just give you an update on what's going on. Thanks for watching. Bye.